Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we'll see about Java methods. So in last class, we already seen a method. So in this class, we'll briefly see about different kinds of methods. First one is constructor. So constructor is also called as a method. So when you have created objects for a class, so constructor that itself called defaultly. So when we don't want to create a constructor separately. So while creating an object for a class, it automatically creates a constructor. It doesn't have a return type. Like for example, we have specified a return type for a particular method, right? So that will not be defined for the constructor. So we can call it has the return type of the constructor as class itself. So here is an example for constructor. So I have created a class rectangle. Within that rectangle class, I have specified the fields like length and width. I have created a method rectangle. So this is like a constructor rectangle of int x and int y. So class name and also the constructor name is same. Here we have defaultly creating a constructor. So when we have used the class name for a method means that is called a constructor. So here we are creating a rectangle area. So after creating a class rectangle, we have created rectangle area class. So within that we have created object for rectangle class, and we are passing the values for the method rectangle 50 rectangle width and height length and width has 15 and 10. After that, we are calculating the area of a rectangle, and it prints after performing the operation. So once if we have created the object that calls the class, for example, here I have created a rect1 as the object. So by creating that object, it directly calls the class. So within that class, we have specified the methods. So it calls that method first, then it performs the operation what we have specified in that method. Next, methods overloading. So method overloading means different methods with the same name, but we are passing different parameters and it has different definitions. For example, we can perform similar task with that method, but we are passing different parameters. So for example, we have created rectangle as a method means in for first method we passed two parameters. For the second method, we have passed three parameters, and for third, we have passed four parameters. So that will be different, and the operations what we have specified that is the same. So we can call this process as a polymorphism. So here is an example for method overloading. So I have created a classroom. Inside that, I have created the fields like length and breadth with the data type as a float, and I have created the method room. In that I am passing the variables like x and y, so length and breadth subsequently. Again, I am using the room same name float x, so length is equals breadth is equals x, and again I am calculating the area of room. It returns length and breadth. So here I am having two methods room. So in the first room method I have passed two fields and parameters, so that will be assigns the value of length and breadth. And in the second method room, uh, what I'm doing means I am equalizing all the variables. Length is equals breadth is equals x, so all the values are equal here. So at last we are creating objects for the classroom. So here I have created two objects. Why have I have created two objects means I'm having two methods, so that's I have created two objects and I have performed. Next, static members. So static members means the member you have created that is static, that will not be changed anywhere. You have created a variable or a method with the help of static keyword means that will not be changed uh, whole process. So for example, I'm giving a static room as a value, means that will not be changed anywhere. So no one cannot change that. So here is an example. I have created a static variable int a is equals 5. So the value of 5 will not be value of a will not be changed anywhere. While runtime also, it only accepts the value as 5. We didn't specify any other value for that static variable. Next, static methods. So static methods also the same. We can create a method with the help of a static keyword. So here we didn't specify no objects. So static data you have created means that only accessed by static members. If you specified a static method but you didn't have a static variable, that will not be accessed. Nesting of methods. So nesting of methods means within one method, if I have created a method, within that I have created one more method, means that is nesting. So within the method, we have specified more number of methods, sub methods, means that is called as a nesting of methods. Here is an example for nesting. So we can have more number of methods inside one method. Thank you. You'll understand about different methods used in Java.